At RapidSOS, our approach has always been about finding bold solutions to the toughest problems in public safety. For decades, interoperability was a hardware and manual labor problem. If a call was rerouted to a neighboring agency, you were flying blind. Information was trapped. Communications between agencies was manual. This delays response and puts lives at risk. I'm proud to announce that after months of collaboration between our teams and several ECCs, we are moving past the era of fragmented response. We're establishing real-time interoperability as the new foundational layer for emergency response. It's an unprecedented level of visibility. When a call is answered out of jurisdiction, Harmony AI instantly synchronizes a live intelligence feed between both centers. That means while the other center is talking to the caller, you are seeing the live transcription. You are seeing the instant translation. You are seeing the call summary and location directly in the tools you already use. Even chat between agencies instantly. We aren't asking you to rip and replace your CAD or overhaul your call routing logic. This works alongside your existing investments. Let me show you what this looks like. When someone dials 911, RapidSOS knows they're trying to call before the phone even rings. Some call it the ding before the ring. You see the caller's location, callback number, and even medical information. But sometimes the call doesn't reach the right ECC. Maybe it's rerouted because of a network outage, high call volumes, or even a cut line. That call gets answered somewhere else, but the authoritative ECC is left blind, unsure what happened. Now, Harmony AI solved that. The moment a call is answered out of jurisdiction, Harmony matches it based on the caller's location and number, then instantly synchronizes a live intelligence feed between both centers. We open a live transcription, translation, and call summary for the answering ECC and share it with the authoritative ECC. They see exactly what's happening, second by second, without waiting for the call to be manually transferred or entered into a CAD system. And it doesn't stop there. Harmony also opens a live chat between the two ECCs, so telecommunicators can coordinate directly. They can share critical updates, like whether units are already en route, or if additional information is needed. It's seamless, automatic, and built into the tools your teams already use every day. With real-time collaboration, we're not just saving seconds, we're saving minutes. In emergencies, those minutes save lives. We're already seeing results from agencies using this technology.
We were dependent on old school, being able to communicate via voice only. So if, let's say, Miami Beach receives a call and it actually belongs to the city of Miami, then they would transfer the call and they would give us all the information. The citizen is calling from this location for X, Y, and Z. We would have to verify the information from them and then proceed to speaking with the caller if the caller is still on the phone. We turned on the interoperability function and we immediately saw a call that was being received by one of our sister agencies that actually belonged to us. It was very, very simple. The moment it was turned on, we were already seeing the calls coming in. Man, it's a game changer. It knocks off a lot of wasted time trying to re-ask certain questions or gather certain information that has already been relayed, especially with the summary that it provides. The summary already summarizes everything, that whole conversation for you. So as a telecommunicator, you can read that summary real quick instead of having to read through the whole transcription and already get an idea of what it is that's happening there. It speeds up the process to processing that call and getting those first responders out there.
With Harmony AI, interoperability no longer needs to be a massive multi-year project. It's the default state of using the world's largest safety network. This functionality works alongside your existing EZNet or call routing logic. So the routing of calls remains unchanged. Instead, real-time interoperability bridges the gap in coordination and visibility for rerouted calls, no matter the scenario. During network outages, Harmony recognizes the reroute instantly, matching live intelligence across systems so no critical data is lost to a silo. During natural disasters, when agencies are overwhelmed and calls are being rerouted across multiple agencies, Harmony unifies the common operating picture for the authoritative agency, allowing them to easily coordinate response at scale. In major events, when big games or festivals create days-long call surges, calls often get rerouted across your region. With Harmony, Collaboration during these events can happen instantly and automatically. In everyday challenges, from staffing shortages to daily surges, Harmony automates the sharing and summarizing of information, minimizing delays for dispatchers and helping ensure critical information makes it to the right responders. What once took years of implementation and massive capital expenditure now happens instantly. Together, we are building a world where people and technology unite. The bridge between you and your neighbors is already built. Reach out today to bring real-time interoperability to your state, region, or community.